Yes, smart. I had to say more or less this racism wohoi upe. Certain communities in America and other places. Bibini be him so smart. Oh dear bro, this you know. For Bruni to point it out, no, I can't just say racist. Bruni person can once have no jai. This is the strategy of the NDC and some part of these Rotarian guys. Me no my juma or yes, be me can they are nice people, but that is their strategy. See, me no muko ye juma for shift. Every shift na ubitimi enya. They are the minority. It was strange. Each shift na ubinya 3 where nyakran each shift be 8 where nyakran na unya 3 wom. Look, kofo ba ye no me say the end me say ye unit ni 32 no to ye be a company 1963 myself muntini 1963 ni be no 2002 na me koye second asantini e wo unit ho. Each shift be a nipa 8 no na benya hours 3, it be 4, 5. We were cool. Me kramenia mama so. I was cool until Kufuor. When Kufuor came, he realized that most of the institutions, because of Rawlings, PNDC, NDC, were packing one more to the point. Say production manager, did this society we never look. Na me Kufuor ba na or yes say or de enokrano. It was under it was under him. And we realized Debbie. I don't know how you crofo enti omo ye fe dwuma nso a production ne administration enefa into be no makoshe ho no ma akose so mongo fo nwa we na for time enkrofo free mu base 50 free mu ne efa ni passion omo koya no ma sakofo mo nkrofo nwa chief executive ne ji ye no say aha ade Monkwa na ade monko school no je no titi paper no eno ye questionnaire eno de ma take eno se o mo prepare yimo sa exams no ko ye na kusugbo ene ko ye level nyeso o ye se me chief executive no ya santini o wa nyese me ya santini ntine bia me ko se santifo o se de bi eye Ghana nyina ye problem no eye Ghana nyina eno de ma take na take for ye certain questions eno mo ko ye na kusugbo. That was the beginning na asantifo boys na me kura me di hu kono ho for boys bi ni ade. Look, enkrofo etiri epaye muni omumuni ya kom. There was a particular time e wumu ani ye microphobia scholarship ni ade. Wo mo nkrofo nkwana na eko bi enkasa. Ena akamfo ni be mu no nipa that time na papa bi na o MPP ni papa penny pa ne ba eba honom. Ena campaign wo fa asibi. Eno mu include impokra na other tribes na doso. 2 guys pe ene na ya santefo enkrofo ibufu ye kom na wenye be ye. This is how they are. They always play victims.
Oh, we are befu.
Me see.
Me say.
Wouldn't him say that year prior to say ye kwa ko 2009 aba no mu nyina dodo na ko gu ye unions and almost start ye no bu jasa kopom ti lose about 2009 ye lose 2009 na bufu ye na Ghana. I was not prepared to leave, but I had to leave. This is them. Into share Mrs. Adi with the mechanic jack. And to him, into bon say, who say ye no na kamfo no to be others who do that are James and we know businesses. And your business are abruti we ya na yako. Into be na most of these corporate institutions ni positions ni has been taken. Oko biare, oko we no ni because someone with those time no mun to kwayon. Well, no positions. This is them. They always play victim card.
Oh my God.
And this are
what?
And this idea now catch them. They said the Merano Kai. Now let's own it because a champon a friend say estate here or Danzuma estate, Kwadaso estate, where you back okra. Na that time my role is Rebecca so be meant scaffolding here for a penno. Na cantonment as in the Bidawada. Na cantonment na say time no you could never say I am. And so I want what this is here. Na champon ni fi back. Meanwhile, ye demonize a champon ko fa ne bebu ni tio free. Se fa to beje golf. Indeed, ono kra de na ngampe. Se ne no de magana for man na yi. Na mo am se sadi gugu abuje.
Boss, semi kuro ni Colonel Fele.
Fally, yes.
Boss, me crony Canal Fally, or my cheese and abachina when a vrungo, abacuna or tishi.
I bet we
Canal Fally,
don't.
that bonnet or yeah.
So these are them. At the time, said you can. One more year, a no man and a year boneno. Ufshe and Sasia good cantonment in Yemena, Dodona, Missy Chehome now, baby, a president in a teacher. Chehome, not all your passenger, not answer up a obey a president, Mamma Bay, Chehome as a nedao. Nedao. And so, near not ye. May war bet 10 and whom I catch or say, Wafa assassin. Let it be bold and face them. This is them all the time. They play a victim card. Into Koka, me say near what you know more Jumano. Miss, I do maybe Miss Dear Baby is me. Monamo Dawson. Me one minority tribe. Secondly, I challenge you be from coastal areas. Ninano say you can development. They are developing chance until as Antepoa and Toaba and Toabano. Okokro me say me femu ho from Sigi Ada me see me who be da me see Ada for any area mu ho ekọ baby a part of Western region now me see me lifetime me who be da say obekọ baby a abosom sem ne baby kwantantan ne edan fun pa me who be da wo de fa ho sa akọ voter part of Ewurade na edan fun pa me who be sa da ekura okubase mommy can what develop yet they own it and always vote for the party. What they want is that positions they say, me now for me no more now. Omunim say, that boy back when I'm say, do you think say you people are developed more than us? And you know Ashanti region well, I'm telling you. Any paramount is in a Joso Konongo or friend say Kepa Kumau, they are all enough to be regional capitals. Damango can never be compared to Azademampo or Ejoso. Damango Ekakrebe, Ufa Honoma Ekakrebe. In fact, because Zamzugu a district capital, it is a Krum. They are not developed more than us. Yet they always so let's rally now and it's any other didn't say. Your mother na yada misumu sengrofo we ti so na se usua de na wo bani mu on se de umbesi apem wa pampam no me ka bibia wo kora me tu victimization
Wycliffe, the problem is this. The problem is this. NPP accounts, we are not saying it or we don't say it as it is or as it should. We don't. We don't sit our children down.
We have to.
Yes. We don't sit our children down. We don't sit our family down. Our family elders are not sitting us down to speak to us the bad things that people have done to us.
Yes. Muktari Callistus Mahama yehwe na no election ya na Mahama kan ni die Akufo-Addo atem say Gabi say in fact kama Mahama tifie no na Muktari ne wo fa ase wi o da pay rules no oje ba 150 million cedis no what is obi ka kasa yes Gabi o da pay rules our friend say finance minister no vori at da pay rules Kufo who was Kufo spokesperson and so Kofi Adams any engrofobi without now a friend say flyer Rollins and GP salary including Muktari onye adwuma biada wa salary sa when they were in opposition
and I say overtaking the salary.
What is it different from when they were talking about Akufo-Addo so on in a for what is the difference between Callistus Mahama and a friend say Ashanti Media too Callistus Mahama yimia Muktari wouldn't say Muktari another name back or no then bawa or ne koto GMPC actually you know koye omo yenu ano be for omo nyina opposition what is the difference what is the difference
they are building
and no dey yanka and no dey yanka this is the time we pointed to them.
We don't say it as it is, as it should.
It is our time. We face it.
That is our problem. We need to.
Na Milano Kasimi, the joy. Na Milano Kasimi, na me famanosi. Look, it was Kufuor. In fact, sa papa we another ungrateful being. Papaya Asogri. Unim say had they not go for back in the project because power plant you need guarantee, sovereign guarantee from the government. Even
sovereign.
if it's
yes.
Yeah. And this uncle won't see. Won't mean see that. It took for Ibrahim we see. O kai say time ko for free abaso no time na ne bang no time otoye no na amanfo bofu MPP supporters bofu tell me on cause our program it was for facilitation impo the home say no a business guy Ibrahim at that time most time was lifted back for most of his day
ono ankasa kae
most of his day was lifted back for
ono so ono ankasa ka say ono kura ka say MPP wa ban mu a ena na adwuma koso ye ena me no ka say ena me no ka owo concession ewo e friend say takwa what's the name bogoso ene
only the second of money this say the diao me see
ono de
ne cement factory in fact Kofi Amoabe
are for workers awoye adwuma engineers and planning
Kofi Amoabe are listening to Kofi Amoabe clearly ne bang no at the point in time our financial instrument na government ne ban no Bosiana or Jeffrey ne bank one of them was the collapse of ET bank. What I say now to sponsor on the cement factory. You see, we don't talk about it because they are not confusing money. You see it as and some koye woman come put sebi the joy. If unya sa we are this instrument, I also be the fool. Also be the fool. Why na ne bra be president na unya this type of year or me the fool. Ututu play na ari. Do we talk about it? But senke koye woman and then koye to say. Ufuriata ena ato player anka de obehu de krum ongo meye enka yet ufuriata anase eyi our friend say Gabi ena ato player ka de obehu de ngo meye hwe time na omo wo ho no na aban no a project bi no mu wo ho no ma in terms of loan facilitation